It's done.
It's like a sandwich of heat. That's something really hot, something that shouldn't be hot, then something that's really hot again. Houston, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I was expecting your M3.
Yeah, right.
What you got there?
That's that piece I made a while back. I didn't do anything. I just brought it back.
You didn't do nothing to it.
Nothing. I think I might have welded it. I don't remember anymore.
That's disappointing.
That might have been where we left it off. That was welding. It's welding, yeah?
It looks pretty good to me, though.
Yes. What are we going to do here today?
That's what I was just wondering myself. Where even are we, you know?
Where are we? A recap, if you will, if you need.
Too soon.
I cut 2 hoses. Take number 3, right? Now they meet in the middle. Amazing, right? Simple.
Yeah. Show them what the problem was.
The problem is that this Chase Bayes adapter puts the outlet way too low, and it won't hit the water neck.
You gotta go, yeah, from down there.
So you have to do 290s to hit it. And Dustin won't let me make a swirl pot to put here instead. So now we have to look at this abomination. This is all Dustin's fault. If it looks terrible, it's Dustin's fault.
I think it looks pretty sleek.
I wanted to make a swirl pot was sat here, but I don't get my way always.
Maybe one day, but
yeah, probably not. Yeah. When this doesn't work and he says, you know, let's do that swirl pot idea I had.
Stop bullying me.
I'm not bullying you. I'm just saying what it usually turns into. It turns from my idea into your idea.
Yeah.
That's
It's looking tight.
It's looking tight. Okay, gotta cut out that whole thing.
All of it?
Gotta cut out a lot more. This doesn't slip underneath anymore.
Are we cutting out to fit the oil cooler too?
We gotta cut this out to fit the bumper bracket.
Yeah.
Then we'll probably have to cut out underneath. We didn't cut anything out underneath before because we didn't have the oil cooler there.
Yeah.
We pretty much just need to cut out for where the fittings are gonna go. So it pretty much fits underneath, except for where the fittings are.
Show them what you did. Are you proud of your work?
It looked pretty good.
So we got this mounts to here, goes to here, mounts to there, connected to this. So it's all together. All right. Mounts under there.
Yeah, it's not bad for just whatever you buy at, Home Depot. My 175-pound self.
He's giving it his full force there. Oh my god. Oh, it's not even moving.
Was I moving the whole car?
Yeah.
That's only tack welded.
That's solid, man.
It's welded here, but it's tack welded there.
Screw it. Don't even weld it. It's good to go.
Good to go. Fire up. Fire me up.
Wow, this is sick. Good work.
Thanks.
Per usual.
Get all this room for activities now.
Told ya.
Just gonna put a big old fan in there.
Boom, done.
You gotta make that coupler, this coupler, cut this, weld that. Gotta pull the whole engine apart.
What?
Well, we gotta get to the seal. We're gonna do the seal today.
What? Today?
Yeah, I figured we'd tear it down and put the seal in.
Wow. I don't know you were that motivated.
Yeah, I'm pretty motivated today. I'm kind of sad.
Well, I'm going to go eat dinner. And I'm going to leave Jeremy down here to slave away.
All by my lonesome.
And when I come back, he's going to have all this cleared out. And we're going to replace the front main seal because it's leaking.
Yeah, the crank seal.
And we're going to do the front half of the water pump. So, let's see how far you get in the amount of time it takes me to eat.
Man, I've seen this boy eat. I won't get much done.
Ready, And boom. You really got in there.
Mm-hmm.
How could you tell the seal was bad?
I looked at
Was it leaking?
the spring was popped out.
Probably faulty install.
I think we replaced that.
I'm gonna have to. Yeah.
Why is this one pink then? And that one's black.
I don't think I bought OEM Toyota on the
Yeah,
replacement.
that's why it failed.
Maybe. Yeah, this should be the OEM part.
I'll get a drain pan.
You think stuff will come out?
Oh yeah. It's gonna gush out.
You think so?
Oh, for sure.
Huh. How about a bucket?
It's not bolted on the back part.
Oh, it is coming. You're right.
Right in your engine. There was no seal in it.
You're right about that.
If you do this and it hits something, then you know your valve is hitting your piston. And that's bad.
You don't want that.
Pretty much just wait for that.
Man, you feel all that compression?
I don't feel shit.
Really?
Okay.
Almost there. How's it look?
Looks pretty dead on.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are tricky because it depends on what angle you look at them, whether or not they're in time or not. But this one's, I'd say this is good.
I'd say you're right.
That's the right place. I can straighten that out. Gotta be careful with these big holes.
As long as it don't go through the radiators.
The what?
Zam.
How do I have this now?
You know, he keeps that thing on him.
This
A
thing?
12-pack of Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, brother.
Jeremy, this place is a wreck.
Dude, this is what happens when you live out of your vehicle.
This is a typical mechanic's
I
vehicle.
don't even have a home.
Just slide on in here.
My W2, don't look at it. I know him comes down this driveway as I reverse back.
He's whipping. He's not even looking. He's looking at his mirror.
Yeah, he looks behind him like an old man. That's one thing that pisses me off.
Old man?
People who do one of these to reverse. You can't reverse from your mirrors. You shouldn't be driving. You shouldn't be reversing.
If you're not looking at your backup camera, you're poor.
Yeah, you have to look behind you, even in a mirror. Poor. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's like, there's actually.
There he goes, pounding away.
Let's go down a little. This needs to go down some. Oh, there it goes.
Not
Oh,
only
shit, it needs
did
to
Jeremy weld this, but he also painted it.
No, Dustin painted it. He painted it really poorly. Don't let him lie to you.
It looks good from back here.
Don't let him lie to you. Looks nice, pretty.
And while Jeremy is slaving away over here, I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on.
Yes. Slaving.
So, I bought a part from Taiwan. Nice little clear cover here. But I had to cut this off. So I use a little Dremel, cut that off, and it hopefully will fit right in here. Maybe a little more cutting, but you get the idea. Yeah, check that out. Ooh, that's fresh. You like that?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Looks great.
Looks great, guy.
Alright, it needs work, but it'll look sick when it's done.
No, don't listen to me. It's fine.
And I don't know if they've seen the coil cover, but that's custom. That's actually Kakenda custom. It's done.
It's like a sandwich of heat. It's something really hot, something that shouldn't be hot, and something that's really hot again. Sandwiched together.
It's perfect.
It's like compounding the heat.
Man.
Amazing.
Crushed it, dude.
So much heat in one place. It's really great for heat.
And I finished my cover. Let's see how this looks.
You gotta leave the protective plastic on it like a nard.
The bullet. Oh no, oh no.
Nard.
Gotta take that off.
He's gonna leave it on.
Yeah, it's gonna look sick. Nice. Oh yeah, bro.
This is your.
What's my fault?
Yeah, I have baby shark stuff in my head.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're working on the JZ here today. Doing some finishing touches before we can start it up. So what we need to do is we're getting this ready for Toyota Yaris coil packs. So this little crossover tube gets in the way. Jeremy's going to be welding both of these shut. We're putting 10AN here and here on the breathers, and then we're also extending the chase base coolant neck because the top right here sits a little bit lower than this elbow. So pretty much anytime I open the rad cap, it's guaranteed to pour out. So we're gonna extend it. This is a 3-inch extension. We're probably gonna do like, I don't know, maybe like an inch or inch and a half or something. So it'll be a little bit taller than this. That way this is the highest point in the cooling system. Alright, so we got the valve covers off. I did clean up the inside last time these were off when we did the head gasket, so these stayed pretty clean, which I'm happy about. And then once we get the fittings welded on, I am going to get these powder coated so they stay nice. Oh man, you're really going to town.
Yeah, you got to.
In there.
Probably do something like that. Keep them.
That looks good.
Keep them out at a 90. If I drilled a little more, we could angle it. Do you think angling it would help at all?
Like angled up.
Slightly up, yeah.
Whatever you think.
Just slightly angled up.
That looks good.
So it doesn't run into the intake manifold.
Nice.
Not melt my thing. Plug the hole, welded a bong.
Nice. Looks great.
It's a little oily, but
Damn, that's sick.
bad boy.
Number 2.
Two. I know how to fill a thing up, you know. I got a pinhole though, I gotta go back over. Yeah, Frank's gonna need to get his powder coated after I weld those on.
Did you break the news to him yet?
Nah.
Damn, bro, you're a pro. Nice.
Nice.
Killed it. Damn.
Yes.
Look at them things.
Them things.
Just gotta get it powder coated and we'll be set.